Yeah, first snow of the year. First snow of the year here in Hagerstown. May I tell you, look at it. This is gonna continue all the way till 4 a.m., 3 a.m. in the morning. Alright? And it starts to accumulate on the road, as you can see. But may I tell you, this one is gonna be a big bad one. And then later on we'll get ice on top of it. So, you know what I mean? I'm running out on the road to go do something quick and come back. But big up on yourself and hope everyone is staying safe. And always do what is right. Alright, big up. You see, when you're driving on the snow, you don't take no chance. Never take chance in the snow. And many times the road is slippery. Alright? And this car here is a stick. But at the end of the day, we still take precaution. Yeah, man, you know, have to behave like say the road dry. You have to take caution because sometimes you hold your brake and the car starts sliding. Even though it look like all is well, you know what I mean? But look how the people them take them time to drive, you know. Yeah, man, but me I tell you, I'm glad to see the first snow though. I we didn't get any last year, we just get like a dusting. Yep, so this is it up here in Maryland, and I know New York and supposed to get some also. Right now, see, the anti-lock brake come on because the car look like you want to slide. Think about it. So it's a snowy day. What do you do on a snowy day? Let's go to the Total Body Remedy kitchen to see what they have going on. To see if they have cooked up something nice over at the Total Body Remedy kitchen. So let's go over there and see what's going on. So now the cocoa bread is out of the oven. You give it another brush again. Put some butter over it and then it's ready to serve. Alright. Very nice. You see how even they are? If you follow this step as a beginner, you follow this step, it will work out just like this. You don't need to follow me and make it without the rolling pin. I was just showing that you can do it like that if you want. It just takes more time. Alright. Put this cocoa bread here. Look at it. Perfect. When I used to go to school, that's how cocoa bread used to look. Folded twice, and it has this golden brown color in it. And inside, the melted butter inside, just make it you don't need anything to eat with it. You just eat it like that. So thanks for tuning into the Total Body Remedy kitchen, and also check out our website, the totalbodyremedy.store, where you can find roots drink. You can also find tonics, alright, those natural herbs that people love. You can also find meat tenderizer on our website, the totalbodyremedy.store. And also, if you like catering and any events, you can go to the totalbodyremedy.store and check us out.